السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا بلس خيس خنا بيت فرحان أحمد السرت سنديرين جرس سكنت براتي قلت هذه من جيتون في سكنت هذا في رانتنا سينا أورومو كبدو سينا أي سراخاتي أي ستكرم تو أورومون أي سكجرات تو أي نيوكتاتي سينا ليه خنا يسني بيبسو في قدفني هاته هم اللي يجرو سكنتاتي يتنرتنا ما أفهم فرنسيس تبتو أنا ليه سنتاسة أفهم فرنسيس تبتو أنا خير إنجليزي فادي بسوف فولا أمة جامر راغفني أكا سكنتا أفهم روموتي في أمبرومون أي سراخاتي أي سكجرت أورومون بدين جرت جنات بتشاجرة أورومتي خبدسن إني فاكته نوف إبسو قربان خوني سكنتا خارسات نسنة تجدا برسا إيجا الرادجا أو ريفرنسيس بيتا ورهم بينس سكنتا خربرات نتوفتني يتشو سنة يتشافو سكنتا خان كبار روان جرو يتشافو وبلاين خن يوبلي سكين خيس قدي هذا سكنتا خان الرابرة دا وان نجولين هذا كيف فرنو أوكي
موسيقى الفلاتومي jam bali e modon mi salmini on ko wona seedan lamdo ko jam to gondon min ko mi pullo Senegal bi reni ko Ibrahim Yakoub min ma salmina buy wona seeda min lamdo bolonda ko jam to woni min ko mi pullo Senegal d'origine ethiopiano perché mawbe amen be di kalnanno men gila helaw historique amen bi minen ko men Ethiopia kono ko men fulbe di godi lapi lapi minen ko men giwara Ethiopia mawbe amen ko gimmor ton en ko pour affaire gaynaka minen ko gaynaka men gandira gaynaka nayi e beyen gelobaji alors minen non woni lapol amen gol minen ko men gaynako be nayi ni mawbe amen giwi hon be ngari do wiete Mali ko don woni Tombutu non woni Fuladu Tombutu ko be goni Tombutu ko après woni naydi kewi e puddi sakondirde ha minen men jippi minen men kettoy hedi Sénégal do men gondo ko do junub Sénégal do wiire Casamance ko do men goni di hewa ron ha hande do wondo joni Sénégal horeji lawdi fop horeji lamuji di serna e mawbe ko e di leydi di fof atawa hen ko fulbe président amen on biere hedo Macky Sall salmi
Grazie. First of all, brothers and sisters to follow in my channels and everybody in here is that this person is come from, the basic of this person historical is in Oromo, that he was in a last of maybe hundreds to hundreds years since they will to travel in Oromo is from from the African the lands that historical says when we're talking about history that Oromo is the basic of starts in Oromo is that the people is from Africa start in human beings from the Ethiopian land that they can call it to an Oromo land. The way we say about this is, guys, when we say about this is today I don't have a place enough to making this video is I get this person is to in done with some places then I don't have another people is to making in my houses and other places, so we have to try to making these videos in here. Then everybody is historical of Oromo is these people is they have also living on where we starting from Oromo is from Ethiopia. The second is from also in Kenya. This is Uganda. This is also Tanzania. This also we say Senegal and the Gambia and also Mali. This is also capital of the Maniton also. Oromo is West the reality is West African is also they have a lot of a lot of the different places they have. The own of the father of them is Oromo. So historical, when we start in these people, they have own language, just like Ifula, we says, just like the different language they have. That's right. Because of we have in many in African places to we live in, and the different area, and then our father is in our father is from Oromo. His children is divided in Africa. Then the land of Africa is starting from Oromo. When we say we have a Gera system, the woman being is to the democratical system is starting in the now. The way we say is in Oromo is we have a democratical system is before maybe is to 1,000 years as we know about the situation, and then we have also the system of the Gera. What we say about this is these people is to start it. We want Oromo is not stopping only in Ethiopia to divide it in any country from the world. That is our historical lands in Oromia. The way we say when we come back to in historical, for example, this guy is my guest today is to in I will put in here. He was in Oromo. he was in Fula. Also, Fula is from Oromo lands and from Oromo people. That we say to also the another thing is Fula is they call in also what we can say is to full ben. And just like this, guys, the way we're saying about this historical of Oromo, this Oromo have the nation is divided in not only East African, that we divided in any from the world in African, even especially as an African or Western African, and any country we can call in starting in Mali. This is the Mali land is this land is to the first is coming, the son of the Oromo is Mali, is they divided in West African as all of this thing. Mali Tombotom, this says people is the capital city of the Mali. That's Oromo. That's Oromo land. But he was telling me because of in historicalist, I don't know about this situation is always says in Oromo land is in Oromo. Then the guys, in reality is Oromo is the nation is not kind of stopping and means non-stop, limited in Africa. But the historical of Oromo is a lot of the people they don't know. But I will prepare, and with this guy and another of the people is says in calling in Oromo, that I will take in my guests to any the best places. Or one day I will meet with them. Then making a video is the best for everybody. Just like that, I will continue. Then about historical of Oromo is not kind of stopping. The source of Africa. Then the one being started to in from Africa that calls in a land of Ethiopia. That means. And for us is also, we like to accept in any kind of African countries in our nations because of the woman being is starting for us is from Ethiopia and the land of the Ethiopia. So that means for us is something is what we can say is what we can call in the what we like it and the way we accept it and our peoples to and I guess is that history is nobody cannot make into attack to himself as then history is to become up day by day. We are not finished everything is we will start to about historical of the Ethiopian and especially of the Oromo lands. Then Oromo people is to living from the world. Then I make this message for them is to follow in my channel and to come in. We start in this channel is to and a part then we make it from the Oromo people is to understanding what is the history of the Oromo people in from the world. What we say about this is to Oromo is the nation is cannot stop in any of we cannot say so Oromo is only living in Kenya or Uganda or also we say in only in East Africa or the Ethiopia. But Oromo is also living in West Africa and from any country of the United. Also in the of the Sudan is they live in amongst the west of the Sudan is they live in also in South Sudan also they live in Oromo peoples. The way we say we have a different nation that cannot stop in and the many countries we divided and to break in by the different things. Though we starting our topic is today, then I say it's about this is what the Oromo is starting, how the people is divided in the world. Then I'm making another video is to preparing for everybody about the Oromo. What is Oromo? Where is Oromo? Where they born? Where they starting the human being of the Oromo stylization, how they eat it, how they made it, and everything is about Oromo is we starting about our next topic of with my friends and with preparing today. We don't have a time, we don't have a places to make in this videos. We try to start into this of the garden. We're making this video here. Then now I'm speaking to in my language on Oromo language. Then I will to say something about this is Obelian Kenya kabajamtota saganta afrankalo dawatota khantata hundino baga duftan gadiya daysan gicha sagantan arraqam no kana sitti sini dianne saganta garte bekamtu saganta garte waye oromoti oromon ay saraqate ilman oromo khan afrika qaysa facan oromo woni jantuno ana ka historical gizen tanati regisa jiro oromon jechon ummata garte umman afrika jono oromo raxo ايسا سكو من اكت كفجعان افريكا غيس مقالاتهم درتك فجعان مقالاتهم غيس كديما امتها كفولا امتها مقاله هدو غيس كده مقالات دد دبافتني هو كان جنو سغنتان تني سغنتا دو ما ينكمني سغنتا افدرو اتففتو sagantaa walitti aan wala dhufnay waa'ee Oromoo irratti ummatoonni Oromoon jira addunyaa gubbaarra Oromoon ummata cannot stop it. The historical of Oromo is that can big history of Oromo waan dhuma qabu miti waan dhaabbatu miti kana hunda wal raga deebisni akkaataa ta'e hunda isin ibsana jechuudha sagantaa itti aan hangolitti agarutti sagantaan keenya kaarraa sirra dhuma. What we say about them? Salve.
Bonjour, nous parlons ici à propos de l'histoire des Peuls. Les Peuls, on en parle beaucoup de langues parce qu'il y a beaucoup de langues différentes. Surtout là où nous provenons comme ça en Éthiopie. C'est mon ami, mon collègue éthiopien, un Peul. Alors les Éthiopiens appellent les Peuls les oromo. En Somalie, on les dit Gerra. Il y a beaucoup de façons de dire les Peuls. On dit Fulani, Fulbe. Et comme moi, je suis sénégalais, je suis né aussi du Sénégal, la région de Kolda. Alors, je vous présente ici aujourd'hui l'histoire des Peuls. Nous, les Peuls, nous provenons de l'Éthiopie depuis des siècles, des siècles. Alors, pourquoi nous sommes sortis en Éthiopie? Parce que nous sommes des éleveurs, des nomades. C'est une race qui est plus peuplée dans l'Afrique. Je ne dis pas dans le monde, mais en Afrique entière, c'est la langue encore la plus parlée. Nous avons des grands marabouts, des personnes vraiment reconnues, des hautes personnes. Et notre culture, encore toujours, c'est la même. On ne change pas la culture ni la langue. C'est mon frère. Et voilà, je suis vraiment content de se voir avec lui. Et il m'a parlé un peu de l'histoire des Peuls, ça me fait plaisir. Je suis là aujourd'hui de causer avec lui un peu, on s'est reconnu. Et même si tu vois son face, tu vas savoir que vraiment c'est mon sang. Je suis vraiment content. Merci. Au revoir.
Merci. Bye bye.